Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can share the blog post from your WordPress website on different social media platforms automatically. So whenever you publish a new blog post on your WordPress website, it is going to share the blog post on different social media platforms automatically. First, the OpenAI is going to create a summary of your blog post, and we are going to share that summary on different social media platforms along with the title of the blog post and the link to the blog post. And for that, I'm going to use Ottokit, build automations without code. Using Ottokit, you can connect more than 1000 applications with your WordPress website and you can automate the process. You can also connect all these applications with each other. In this example, we are going to use social media platform. You can connect multiple social media platforms. You can share the post on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, and all the other social media platforms. In previous video, I have shown you how you can auto-publish AI-generated blog posts on your WordPress website using Ottokit. I have published many videos on Ottokit, how you can automate your WordPress website or how you can automate your WooCommerce website. So if you want to automate your WordPress website, you can try using Ottokit. The price of Ottokit will start from $9 per month, which will be $108 per year. I'll also give you a 10% discount coupon code. So if you want to start with Ottokit, you can use my link in the description box and a 10% discount coupon code. So let's see how we can create a workflow in Ottokit, which will share your blog post on different social media platforms using AI.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into my Ottokit account and now I'm going to create a workflow from the scratch. So let's go to workflows. And here you will see a list of workflows that I have already created. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can auto-publish AI-generated articles on your WordPress website. I have also shown you how you can automate the WooCommerce coupon system and how you can send a WhatsApp notification for your WooCommerce website. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. So in the top right-hand corner, you will see the option Create New Workflow. Click on it and let's assign a name to the workflow. So whatever name you want to assign to the workflow, you can assign the name to the workflow and click on Create. Now we will need to add a trigger point, and for that click on the plus sign, and trigger point will be WordPress. Click on WordPress, and when you are going to trigger this workflow, whenever you are publishing a new blog post on your WordPress website, it is going to trigger this workflow. So let's click on Select Event and search for Post Created or Updated. Below that you will see Select Connection, and I have already connected to WordPress website with my Ottokit account, and this is the website that I'm going to use. So click on the website. If you do not have any WordPress linked to your Ottokit account, you can install the plugin on your WordPress website. Let's go to the website, I'll show you, and let's go to plugins. So here I'm on the WordPress website. We are on the plugins. Click on Add New Plugin and search for Ottokit. And this is the plugin Ottokit All-in-One Automation Platform. You need to install this plugin and activate the plugin. Once you install the plugin on your WordPress website, you will see the option here, Ottokit. Click on it. And it will ask you to connect your Ottokit account with your WordPress website. It will ask you to log into your Ottokit account. Once you log into the Ottokit account using the plugin, it will connect your WordPress website automatically to your Ottokit account. And on your website, you will see the same dashboard that you have on the Ottokit account. So you can create a workflow directly from your WordPress website, or you can do it from your Ottokit account. So I'm going to create it from my Ottokit account. So we have selected the connection. If you have multiple WordPress websites connected, you will see the list of all the websites. So I have selected the website that I want to use. Click Continue and select the post type. The post type will be post, and select post. It will be any post. So whenever you publish a new post or any post, it is going to trigger this workflow. You will see the list of posts which you already have on your website. So I'm going to select any one and click Continue, and it is going to test the connection. Click on Fetch Data and it will fetch the data from the previous post. So it says that the connection is successful. Click save and your trigger point will be added. Now what action do you want to perform after the trigger point? So click on plus sign. Now we want to summarize the content that we just published in the blog post, and for that we are going to use OpenAI. So select OpenAI. OpenAI is nothing but 𝗟𝗓𝗞𝗘. So you're going to ask the 𝗟𝗓𝗞𝗘 to summarize the content from the blog post. So select an event. Event will be summarize text. So you will see many different options. We are going to use summarize the text, and it will ask you to select the connection. I have already connected my OpenAI account with the Ottokit, and that's what the connection is here. If you do not see the connection, you will see an option create a new connection. Click on it and you will see the window to connect your account. If I click here, it will give you an instruction how you can create an API key. Once you create an API key, you just need to enter the API key and connect OpenAI, and it will connect your OpenAI account with Ottokit. I have it already connected, so I'm going to click on continue. If you do not want to use OpenAI, you can also connect other AI tools. If I go to Ottokit, you will see list of all the AI tools that you can use. OpenAI, DeepSeek is also there. Dumpling AI is also there. So this is the list of all the AI tools which you can connect to your WordPress website. So in this case, I'm going to use OpenAI. Select the model. I'm going to use one of the models from OpenAI. Let's try GPT-4o. Now here we need to specify a text that we want to summarize. So I'm going to enter @, and you will see the option WordPress, which is the trigger point. And we want the content of the blog post, and we are going to use that content to summarize. So you will see an option here, post content. So I'm going to select that one. So the OpenAI will fetch the content from the WordPress blog post. Maximum tokens, I'm going to set 3 tokens. Click continue and test the connection. All right, so the action is successful. Click save. Now after that, we want to publish this content on different social media platform, and for that we are going to use AI agent. So if you click on plus sign, you will see all the apps that you can connect, and look for AI. You will see AI agent. Click on it. All right, now you will see select event, and for that configure agent is selected, and select the connection. I already have the connection here, so I'm going to select that connection. If you do not see the connection, you can click on create a new connection, and it will connect your account with AI agents. Click continue. I'm going to use the same AI agent model, and for the user query, I'm going to enter @, and we are going to use the summarized text that is from OpenAI. And if you scroll down, you will see message content. That's what we need. So I'm going to select message content. So this is the summarized content from OpenAI, and we are going to use it. For the session ID, let's enter @, and you will see the ID here. I'm going to use that one. And if you want to add additional instruction, you can add additional instruction, maximum runs. You can also add maximum runs here. Fallback message, you can add fallback message. I'm going to keep it as it is. Click continue and test the action. And it is successful. Now let's click on save. Now you will see an option to add different social media platforms. So click on plus sign here, and I'm going to select Facebook. So search for Facebook pages and select an event. Will be create post on page. So we are going to publish the post on one of the Facebook pages. Click on select connection. I have already connected my Facebook account here, so I'm going to use that account. If you do not see, you can click on create new connection, and it will ask you to log into your Facebook account and allow Ottokit to access your Facebook pages. So you just need to log in, and it will connect your Facebook account with Ottokit. So I'm going to select the connection, click continue and select the pages. It will show the list of all the pages that you have on your account. So I'm going to select one page here and enter the post content. Now the post content will be again the summarized content from OpenAI. So I'm going to enter the @, go to summarize text and use the same text from here, message content. So it is going to use that summarized content to publish on Facebook pages. Show optional feeds. For this, I'm going to add the URL of the blog post. So let's enter the @ symbol, go to WordPress, and we are going to use the URL of the blog post created in WordPress. So you will see permalink option here, use that one. That's nothing but the link to your new blog post. If you want to add any instruction, you can add the instruction or click continue. Now let's test the action, and it is successful. Now if I go to Facebook account here, this is the page that we have selected, and you will see the post that we have on the website is automatically published. You will see just now, it is published just now. If I go to website, if I go to post, you will see this is the post, how to add a post slider in Elementor using Elementor loop carousel, and you will see that post here. This is the featured image of the blog post. So if I go to post here, this is the blog post. All right, so you will see the post is already published on Facebook. It shows creating dynamic content, which is nothing but the summarized content. So we will see what is happening there. Let's click on save. Now let's add new connection, and let's search for LinkedIn. You will see LinkedIn app there, click on it, and event will be share an article or URL, and let's select the connection here. I have already connected my LinkedIn account. If you do not see any connection, click on create new connection. It will ask you to log into your LinkedIn account, and it will ask you to allow Ottokit to access your account. You just need to allow it, and it will get connected to Ottokit. So I am going to select the connection, click continue, select author. We have authors there. I'm going to select the author, and dynamic content will be the summarized content, and article URL. For that, enter @ symbol, go to WordPress and select permalink, and visibility will be public. Show optional fields. Now this is the article link title. I'm going to add the post title. So go to WordPress and search for the title. You will see the post title, and article link description. If you want to add description, you can add description. I'm going to keep it as it is. Click continue and test the connection. Click save. Now let's go to LinkedIn account, and if I go to post, it will show the post here, how to add a post slider in Elementor using loop carousel. So that is the same article that we published here. So as of now, it is getting the content from the latest published post. Now, if you want to connect more social media platforms, you can click on plus sign and search for the platform. Let's say you want to connect Twitter, you can search for Twitter or X. You will see the option there. If you want to publish it on Instagram, you will see the Instagram for business. You will be able to connect your Instagram account and publish it on Instagram account. So you can start adding all these social media platforms, and whenever you publish a new blog post on your website, it is going to share the content on these social media platforms. So I'm going to click on publish here. Let's go back to workflows. So we have this workflow published. So if you want to automate your WordPress website, you can start using Ottokit. The pricing of the Ottokit will start from $9 per month, which is $108 per year, in which you will get 5,000 tasks per month. You can create unlimited workflows, and you can connect up to 5 WordPress websites. I'll also give you a 10% discount coupon code in description box. So if you want to sign up to Ottokit, use my link in the description box and use 10% discount coupon code. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.